Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and cool hairstyle hacks. So first we have divided our hair into three parts. Then from the middle part we are making this ponytail, making a space in between and then taking the remaining parts from each side and then making a braid as shown. We are dividing the braid and then we are going to join it together in the space in the ponytail in the middle we've made, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are starting by making a high ponytail and then we are going to use multiple rubber bands for completing a braid. As shown in the video, we are going to lose some hair, then apply a rubber band part by part and then just continue till you get this type of braid ready. After that you can apply any kind of beads or clips to it to make it look more good and fabulous. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking little hair from both the sides, joining it with two rubber bands and then making a space in between and folding the hair into it. After that you can see this heart looks so good. Next we are going to make a low ponytail from the remaining untied hair. Again using two rubber bands and again doing the similar step and joining it with the heart we've made, and your bun is ready. Next we are going to take two layers from both the sides but at the upper region and then making a braid as shown in the video. After your braid is done, we are going to take our hair and then we are going to put a clip on our braid, and then we are going to take the remaining hair and using a rubber band for joining them together and then repeating the same step again. After that you can see your hairstyle looks complete. At last we are going to make a ponytail. Next we are going to make a simple hairstyle by dividing our hair into three parts, and from the back we are going to make a low ponytail, passing it through itself, then taking hair from one side and making a braid, passing it through the space and then again repeating the same step with the other side also. After it's done, we are going to take whole hair and then apply any accessory to it you want. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking our hair and folding it out into a low ponytail. After that we are going to take our hair and then passing the ponytail into itself as shown in the video. After it's done, we are going to secure the bun by using a pin or a rubber band, and your beautiful yet simple hairstyle is ready. Now you can apply any kind of clip or clutches to it to make it look more fabulous. Thanks for watching.